Hey there, my health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. If you like the content, mention your favorite part. Also, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. Today, I will unlock the secrets of one of the most incredible superfoods out there. That's right, eggs are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that can do wonders for our well-being. But that's not all. As we unravel the layers of knowledge, you'll grasp why eggs stand as a testament to the art of balance in nature. Their rich composition of vital nutrients adds depth to our meals, supporting not only our physical well-being but also nurturing a healthier lifestyle overall. Health meets eggs in a synergy that unveils their true potential as a superfood, meticulously designed by nature to fuel our energy and nurture our bodies. So get ready to dive deep into the world of macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals found in eggs. Eggs transform our health by offering a unique blend of wholesome goodness. And this video is your passport to understanding the science behind it all. We're excited to embark on this journey with you, shedding light on the captivating ways eggs can empower us to lead a more vibrant and energetic life. Let's crack open this topic, macronutrients. Fueling our energy. When it comes to macronutrients, eggs have got it all. They are a fantastic source of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Protein is the building block of our muscles, and eggs provide us with high-quality, complete protein that our bodies need for repair and growth. This protein-rich food can keep us fuller for longer, which is great when we are trying to maintain a healthy weight. Vitamins. A burst of nutritional power. Eggs are like little powerhouses packed with essential vitamins. They contain vitamins A, D, S, A, and B-complex vitamins, such as B12 and B6. Vitamin A is crucial for healthy vision and immune function. Vitamin D is essential for strong bones and teeth, promoting calcium absorption. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage. And the B-complex vitamins play a vital role in our metabolism and nerve health. Talk about a nutritional punch. Minerals, strengthening from within. In addition to vitamins, eggs are also a great source of essential minerals that our bodies crave. They are rich in iron, zinc, selenium, and calcium. Iron plays a key role in carrying oxygen throughout our bodies and maintaining our energy levels. Zinc is essential for a healthy immune system and wound healing. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage, and calcium is vital for bone health and strength. With eggs, we can give our bodies the minerals they need to thrive. Eggs, the superfood superstars. Now, why are eggs considered a superfood? Well, these incredible little wonders possess a unique combination of nutrients that can provide a wide array of health benefits, from supporting brain function, promoting healthy hair and nail growth, to reducing the risk of heart disease and improving eye health. Eggs truly have it all. Plus, they are versatile, affordable, and easily accessible. It's no wonder they have become a staple in the kitchens of health-conscious individuals worldwide. Eggs are a great source of almost every single nutrient of vitamins and minerals, as you will see up next. Do you know what country it's the most eggs? Leave it in the comments below. How to cook an egg to maximize nutrition. Cooking eggs in a way that maximizes their nutrition involves preserving their essential nutrients while minimizing nutrient loss. Here's a guide to help you achieve this. Start with fresh, high-quality eggs from a reliable source. Eggs from pastured or free-range chickens often have higher nutrient content. Overcooking eggs can lead to nutrient degradation. Cook them until the whites are set and the yolks are slightly runny to retain more nutrients. Poaching eggs preserves the nutrients in the yolk and prevents the formation of harmful compounds associated with high-heat cooking. Soft-boiled eggs are cooked briefly to ensure the yolk remains partially runny. This method minimizes nutrient loss while achieving a creamy texture. Scrambling eggs with butter or oil over low to medium heat can help retain their nutrient content, preserve yolk nutrients. The egg yolk contains most of the nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Avoid overcooking the yolk to retain its beneficial properties. Pair with nutrient-rich foods. Incorporate eggs into meals with a variety of nutrient-rich foods like vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins for a balanced meal. Diversify your cooking methods. Rotate between poaching, soft boiling, scrambling, and other gentle cooking techniques to enjoy a variety of textures and preserve different nutrients. Thank you for tuning in. Fellow seekers of wellness, if you found this exploration as enlightening as we did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay connected with our mission of holistic health and vitality. Let's continue this inspiring journey together.